Laura, I thought you would never ask. So for starters, I have a Discord called the Beta Cell Project, which is specific to people with diabetes looking to heal their diabetes, but there are a ton of incredible health resources that we share openly in the Discord. One of which is my master list of research papers. So I have sources upon sources talking about the cross between iron overload, autoimmune conditions, vitamins and minerals, talk about brain health and different aspects of cellular health, mitochondria, beta cell regeneration, iron and DNA damage. All of these are peer-reviewed articles, parasites, stem cells, giving blood, cancer and iron, viral connections. I mean, it goes on and on. But I mean, in regards to iron supplementation and negative health outcomes, let's just cut right to the chase. Here's one: the dark side of iron, the relationship between iron inflammation and gut microbiome in selected diseases associated with iron deficient anemia. And the paper goes all over how the primary means in healthcare today of addressing iron deficient anemia is just oral iron supplementation. Even though there's a ton of well-documented researched articles talking about how harmful iron supplementation is, even for those with iron deficient anemia. So maybe start on that paper and then join the Discord and check out the master list. I also wrote an entire book talking about the connections between our natural inflammatory process, iron overload, and then the development of diseases after that, things like diabetes and other autoimmune conditions.